Hello everyone and welcome. It's your boy Wibana Emmanuel, and in today's video I'll be covering how to build a print on demand website with WordPress. Now, assuming you've bought your domain name and your hosting, what is the first thing you're gonna do regarding establishing your print on demand website using WordPress? Now, the first thing we're gonna do right now is that I'm going to install my theme. So what I want to do right now is go to appearance, click on themes. So under this place of search theme, I'm going to click Astra, hopefully it loads, and this is the Astra theme. So I'm going to click on install. I'm going to activate it. Now, after activating it, let's see how my site looks right now. So this is how my site currently looks with the Astra theme active. Now the next thing I want to do right now is go over to settings and customize my site basically. So I'll click on general settings. Now what I want to do right now is for my site title, I'm going to use match unit, and for my tagline I'm gonna use get match for your favorite thing planet. Yeah, so what I want to do right now is click save changes and let it load. Now once it's done, the next thing I want to do right now is go over to permalinks and ensure I change this to post name, and click on save changes and let it load. Now lastly, what I want to do is go over to reading. Okay, now what I want to do right now is, if this is ticked, I want to untick it. So it's going to let search engines to pick my website. So basically that's that for our setting. Now the next thing I want to do right now is to install essential plugins on my site. So what I want to do right now is go over to plugins, click on add new, and the first plugin I want to add is this classic editor. It's just a personal preference. I like this, my classic editor. Like, it's easier than the default page view that comes with WordPress. I'm gonna click on add new. Yeah, and click on Elementor. Now the next plugin I want to add is called Printify. The next plugin I want to add is called Printful. Let me just search Astra Starter. Okay, install. So the next plugin I'm gonna add right now is it's called WooCommerce. Okay. Put in your email address, put in your password, tick the I'm not a robot button and sign up. So after you've done this, the next step would be to connect your Printful and Printify accounts to your dashboard on WordPress, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. I already have a Printify account and I have a Printful account, and I've showed you how to install the plugins in the previous tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna be setting up both Printful and Printify. So for Printful, all I have to do is scroll right on my dashboard. On the left corner I'm going to see this Printful. I'm going to click and it's going to ask connect to Printful. All I want to do is just say connect and it's gonna take me to a page like this, and I'm just gonna say approve. So you can see that WooCommerce wants to connect to Printful, and this is my email address for my Printful account. All I have to do right now is just click continue, connect store, and pretty much that is it. It's gonna synchronize the products on my Printful, on my website, to my Printful account, but as you can see there is no product, so that's it. It has been you can see stores match unit has been added, and I can go ahead and add my first product, but I won't do that now. I'll leave that for another tutorial. So Printful is done. So for Printify, all I have to do is come over to my Printify account, click on my store. Yeah, I'm logged into my Printify account right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is head over to this, click on my stores and add new store, click WooCommerce, and I'm gonna put in my website. Connect, and let it load. Click approve. Very similar to that of Printful. Yeah, and that is it. If I head over to my stores right now, okay, my account, okay, my store. Now this is very strange because I should be able to see my stores from here, but let me just go back to, okay, let me just go back to printify.com, yeah, and click my store. Click my stores. You can see that my store has been connected. You can see my store has been connected. So if I want to add a new product right now, it's very simple. All I have to do is just come over to my store. You can see there's no product here. Just add my new product, and whatever product I add here is gonna reflect on my dashboard. So that's how you go about connecting your Printful or Printify account to your WooCommerce dashboard. I hope that was clear enough. Peace. Hello my gorgeous friends on the internet. In this session I'm going to teach you how to create a nice looking logo for your website. So let's get started. The logo we're going to make is the logo you see right here on my screen. Let me zoom in so you see. Very clean and simple logo. So I'm going to go over and create a new page, and what I want to do right now is just create a circle, make it red, because this is what I'm going to be using as the theme color of my site. And what I want to do right now is type MU, which stands for match unit. I'm going to make this large, and I'm going to choose a nice font, place it right over here, just to be sure that it's properly aligned. I'm going to centralize it, okay, and the next thing I want to do is duplicate this letter and write match unit. I'm gonna choose a simple font. This is, yeah, okay. I'm gonna make this all caps, change case, uppercase, okay. make it small. Okay, just to be sure, I'm gonna centralize this. Yeah, now move this a bit. So I'm gonna make it smaller, and I'm gonna extend this. Yeah, I'm gonna make this text white. So there you have it. This is our simple logo. I'm gonna export it. And I'm gonna make this white. Still export it. White. So pretty much that is how you go about creating a simple logo on your site, and I did a black version and a white version. Now another way to create logo is to use Canva. So you can come over to Canva. If you don't have an account, you just create a simple account, and this is the home page. You're gonna search logo and wait for it to load. Once it loads, you're now gonna choose any logo that matches your style. So in this case, I'm gonna go with this. Use this template. Okay, seems it's a premium template, so I'm gonna search for a free template. Let's see, most of these are paid templates, so I'm gonna use okay, let me go with this simple template. Now what I want to do right now is type match unit, come over to this outer, make MK. Yeah, match unit. Just gonna delete this. So this is it. Very simple logo. Yeah, so that's the first template. This is the second template. So let me change this to match unit is MK. I'm gonna delete this, delete this too. So this is the black version, this is the white version. So what I'm gonna do is just download this. I'm just gonna download the two pages. Now once that is done, I'm gonna extract it. Extract files. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna open it, and here you have it, my two logos. Let me open it over here so you can see. This is the first one and this is the second one. But the disadvantage to this is that it comes with a background. So this is what I mean. You see, there's a white background here, and in order for you to download it without the background, you have to have a premium subscription on Canva. So this is what I mean. You're gonna come to download. In order for you to have this transparent background, you have to subscribe to the pro version of Canva. Now the third way to create your logo is to come over to a new tab and say Namecheap logo maker, and just click this, type your brand name, in my case match unit, and press enter. So I'm gonna choose the kind of fonts I want. I'm just gonna choose this randomly, and my theme color, that's all. I'm gonna press continue. I'm gonna search for icons. In this case, I'm just gonna use simple icons. Let me see, I'm gonna type heart. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. I'm gonna choose the last one. Let's say hoodie. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. probably this, and say continue. So I'm just gonna let it load. And here you have it. It has created a whole lot of logos. It has created a whole lot of logos with all of the icons I chose, and that's it. All I have to do right now is download the ones I want. I click download, and it's downloading all of the logos. This is a very simple tool, and there you have it. I'm gonna show in folder and extract the files. Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah. So let me refresh. Okay, there you have it. These are all of the logos. These are all of the logos. These are all of the logos I downloaded. But the reason why I don't like this is because it comes with background. It comes with a background color, and that's why I don't like it. That's why I stick to the first logo I made, because it has no background. So that's how you go about creating a simple logo for your site. Hello guys, and welcome. In this section I'm gonna be teaching you how to create essential pages for your website. Now these pages are very important because whenever you aim to run ads, say on Facebook is gonna go through your pages and see if you have these essential pages. Now that's one. Secondly, your customers would love to also see these pages, and just to kind of build trust and for them to trust your brand. So let's get started. What I'm going to do right now is hover over this new icon and click page. Now the first page I'm going to be creating is called about page, about us, and I already have a template for this. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, copy and paste. That's all. Now if you notice, this is a very simple interface, and that is why I installed the classic editor, because it makes it easy to create your pages. So what I'm going to do right now is just hit the publish button, and that's it. Now I'm going to view our page right now, and this is it. This is the about us page. This is the about us page. And secondly, if I don't want to go with this template, I can still come over to my page. As you see on my home page, I already have the about us page that was automatically created by the template installer which I use. This is it. So I can click on this about us, and this is kind of more organized. So I can hit edit with Elementor and just wait for it to load. Now that's it. All I have to do right now is come over here and paste what I had copied earlier. So this is it. I'm gonna just okay. I'm just editing this because formatting this because this space seems to be too much. Okay, delete. Okay, enter. Okay, delete, enter, delete, enter. Okay, just gonna hit the delete button, and there you have it. So this is how it's gonna look. Let me hide this. Okay, this is how it looks, very clean and organized. Now what I want to do right now is come over here, our team, and there I have it. Over here I can change this image, and I'm gonna choose my own image. So I think I have an image here, so I'm gonna take it over here and just copy and insert, then come over here, change the name to okay, and that's it. I could make this circular. Okay, say 50. Yeah, that's it. So I could leave every other thing as is. And for the social media, I'm gonna edit this later. So with this worldwide shipping, I'm gonna click. One other thing I want to do, I could just come over here and just say print full shipping. Just click here, come over here, open this tab, and that's it. So you can see, okay, just come over here, copy this text, and paste. Okay, that's for shipping. I could come here and change this to fulfillment. Okay, let me edit this to fulfillment. Okay, copy this. Okay, I'm just leave it as is. Now over here, the third one, I'm gonna just choose delivery. Okay, paste this. That's it. Then secure payment. Just say I already have a page for this, so just say let me scroll down and just search payment. Okay, payment policy. Okay, just copy this, come over here and paste. Okay, that's just it. So there you have it. This page has already been created. So right now we have two about us page, and I just showed you so you can choose which you want to go with, but I'm gonna just let it as it is right now and update. So let me see how this is gonna look. Let me see how this is gonna look on the mobile. This is how it's gonna look. Okay, yeah, it looks very clean. So that's it. That's how you add the about us page. So with that being done, I'm gonna come over to pages, and you see we have this about page and we have the about us page. So this is how the about page looks like. About us page looks like, very simple. And this is how the the one that was imported by the template looks. So I kind of prefer this. Yeah, I kind of prefer this. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'll just leave the both pages anyways. So the next page I want to create right now is called the shipping policy page. So I'm gonna head over here and ensure there's no, okay, it seems there's no shipping policy page here. So I'm just gonna add, okay, add new shipping policy. I'm gonna head over here and copy this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, okay, and publish. Wow. Now the next page I'm gonna create is the returns and exchange page. So I'm gonna head over to pages. Is there returns? And okay, there is returns page. So I'm just gonna okay, I'm gonna click on edit. Oh, let me just preview this page. The template automatically created this. Okay, this looks very clean. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is just click on edit. Yeah, and remove this. Okay, I think it's preferable I go with this one. So I'm just gonna copy all of this and paste, and there I have it. This page has been created. So I'm gonna publish. The next page I'm gonna create. No, I copied the wrong page. This is the return and exchange page. So this is what I'm meant to copy. Okay, let me just copy this. Copy. It seems that's not even done. Seems that's not done. Okay. It's from here. No. Now, okay. Okay. Returns and exchange. Copy. Paste. Yeah. And there you have it. Update. So since that is done, the next page I'm gonna create is the payment policy page. So let's go over to pages. There's no payment policy page, so I'm gonna create a new page. Add new and call it payment policy. I'm just gonna copy this and paste. And the next page I'm gonna create is called payment security page. Add new, paste. Okay, copy this, and that's just it. Copy, publish. So there you have it. We have all our pages. Let me change this to payment security update. So there we have it. We've created all the essential pages. Okay, let me create. There's still one more page to create, and that page is terms of service page. So terms of, I kind of think that there's already a terms page, so let me just check. Okay, terms, yeah, terms, yeah. Let me preview. Let's see what they have. Okay, I'm gonna edit. Yeah, so I'm gonna say terms of service. Yeah, and I'm just gonna copy this to the end. Let's see, yes, copy. Okay, paste. There you have it. I'm gonna delete this, make this bold. There you have it. You have it. Okay. Okay. So just in case you're wondering how you're gonna get this template, I'll try my best to see if I'm gonna link to it in the description below so you can access it. So what I'm gonna do is just publish, and that's done. I'm gonna now create the last page. This is the privacy policy page. So as with the others, I believe that page is already created. Yeah, this is the privacy policy page. So I'm gonna preview. Okay. Okay, I could go with this, but I don't want to go with that. I think I already have, yeah, a better one. So this is it. So I'm gonna just paste this, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do is make this bold, delete this, scroll down, delete, no, enter, delete, make this bold, make this bold, make this bold, delete, make this bold, delete, make this bold, make this bold, make this bold, make this bold, and hit the publish button. And there you have it. We've created all of our essential pages. We've created all of our essential pages for the site, and that's it. So the next thing we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna go over to install, to set up Printify and Printful, which is basically our suppliers. Hello guys and welcome. In this session I'm gonna be teaching you how to add your products from your Printful or Printify dashboard to your WooCommerce store. So for Printful, here's what you wanna do. You wanna head over to your stores, and hopefully you only have one store because that is the store connected. I showed you how to connect to my Printful dashboard in the previous tutorial. So all you have to do is just click add products, and I'm gonna be adding a t-shirt. Okay, in my opinion, I think the Gildan 64,000 t-shirts is the best t-shirt to go for. So I'm just gonna search Gildan 64. Yeah, this is it. Okay, let it load, and here you have it. Gonna say drop your design here. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna come over. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to my computer's dashboard and grab a t-shirt, a design rather, and load it on this t-shirt. Let it load. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. It's kind of taking longer than usual. Okay. This is very strange. Let me take it back. I'm gonna reload. Yeah, this is it. This is the design I just added, and here you have it. My cat is a rock star and I'm a manager. So what I have to do right now is proceed to mockups, and it's gonna give me 3 mockups. I'm gonna choose. Okay, here you have it, a lot of mockups. So this is gonna be the main markup, but in my opinion I want to change it to this. Let's say this. I want to use this as my main markup. So these are the products. Okay, and I can add other colors. I could use other colors as the markup images. Okay, and there you have it. My cat is a rock star and the manager t-shirt, and pretty much that's it. Proceed to pricing. So I kind of like setting my products to I'm gonna set the price to maybe say $15. Now this is gonna be the retail price and this is gonna be my profit. This is the Printful's price, but I would love this to go for $22. Let's see, $19. Okay, so there you have it, $7 profit. Submit to store, and it's pushing my product from my Printful dashboard right to my WooCommerce dashboard. So while that is going on, let me head over to my Printify and show you how it's being done on Printify. So from Printify, what you want to do right now is go to my store, click add products, and I'm gonna still add the same product, 64,000. This is Gildan. gonna now with Printify. There are a lot of suppliers. They kind of brought a lot of suppliers together, so you can choose the best one you want. For me, I usually go with Stockton Printing, and I'm gonna go over to just come over here, grab a different t-shirt. Sorry, I'm late, my cat was sitting on me. I'm gonna grab this right now and come over to and load it up. There you have it. Yeah, it's loading up. So I'm gonna change the color black, blue, red, no red, navy, black heater, and I can make this smaller, take it a bit up, then centralize the design. Yeah, save product. Now one flaw with Printify is they are gonna automatically keep they don't give you the option of renaming your product, except you come over to this edit listing, say my cat is a rock star. My cat, okay, no, this is not my cat is a rock star t-shirt. This is sorry, I'm late. My cat was sitting on me. Yeah, sorry, sitting on me. And you can see this is gonna be the retail price, but I want to up the price to say I want to up the price to $19. No. Let me add more 10. Yeah, okay, 12. 12 makes it 19. So let's see, 11.05. It's 11.06. No, 11.05 makes it $18.9. Then that means 11 point. Just gonna leave it this way and adjust it for this other. Yeah, so I'm gonna change everything to 58% profit. 58% profit. Now whilst I'm doing this from here, I also want to note that you can also do it from your WooCommerce dashboard as well. So I think I should just select all, edit profit margin 58, apply. So all of them is 58. Yeah, so I'm gonna publish and publish. So there you have it. I'm gonna come back to Printful to see if that has been added. Yeah, that product has successfully been added to my store. I'm gonna add a new product, and this time it's gonna be dad. Okay, classic dad hat. And this is it. Still gonna add the same design. Make it a bit smaller. Yeah, no, I for my just for personal preference, I like making hats using Printify, so because I believe hats turn better on Printify. But I'm just gonna do this for the sake of the tutorial. Proceed to no, I'm not comfortable with this. Let me add a different product. Let me add a different product. Okay. Let's go back. Yeah, add a new frame product. This time let me add coffee mug. Yeah. And for the design, okay, let me come over here and see if, okay, let me take this design and put over here. Okay, I'm just gonna let it load up, and I kind of have this suspicion that it's gonna take a lot of time for it to load up, so I won't be doing that. I'm just gonna reload. Yeah, reload, because I've had that experience before. Add a product, mug, white glossy mug. Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, this is the design. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Yeah, proceed to mockup. And I make this front view. I prefer using it's almost Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna use this. Proceed. Then radio logist, you pose, we expose mug. And proceed to pricing. This is gonna be the profit. You can see it's very small, $1. So I'm gonna up this to 20. Yeah, and it gives us the profit of $9. Yeah, submit to store. So I'm gonna let that happen. Then I'm gonna add a new product, and this time it's gonna be a hat from Printify. Yeah, start designing. Add your design. Let me add from my library, because okay, let me add this design. Black. Just gonna add this on dark colors. Okay, let me leave these two colors. Save product, edit product, cat. I'm gonna change it to cat lover hat, and I'm gonna do this. Sorry, late. My cat was sitting on me, and that is it. Okay, add. Yeah, I'm gonna add this. Yeah, and publish. So that's how you go about adding products to your WooCommerce dashboard from Printful and Printify. So what I'm going to do right now is head over to my dashboard and come over to products, and as you can see, the products I added, they are all here. Let me reload, refresh again. Yeah, there you have it. So I can now view this on my store. This is how it looks. Black, navy. Yeah, you can see this is it. So one thing is I can quick edit and change this category to accessories so it doesn't show uncategorized. So update, then reload. Let me home accessories. Yeah, this is it. So for the mug, which we added this in Printful, I'm gonna view it. And this is kind of how it looks, but as you can see, the default image is not the best one, so I'll rather choose this one. So let me edit that and change the category to accessories. Change, I mistakenly, no, okay, I mistakenly edited out of the t-shirts. Okay, yeah, update. Now one thing you can consider then is changing this product description. You could change it to let me add a paragraph. Sorry, say this t-shirt was designed cat owners, lovers, clarity with their so that's just it. An update and come over to, let me view this product right now. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Choose the color black, size, you can choose royal, choose royal color, charcoal, black. So this is how it looks. This is related products. Now what WooCommerce does is the products that belong to the same categories, they are going to show it as related products. So you could use that to your advantage by adding similar designs. Like as you see over here, this is a t-shirt with this design, and this is a mug, it's a hat with the same design. So if you want to upsell, it makes it kind of easier. So the next thing I want to do right now is come over to products. This mug, I'm gonna edit. And I want to change this default product image. Okay, I'm gonna take this over to here. Wow, let's just see. Yeah, and update. So that is it. That is how you go about adding products from Printify and Printful to your store. Now one last thing is I want to go over the categories, and I want to add new categories. I want to add a new category, mugs, and just add new category. Add a new category. Let me say t-shirt. I think there's no category as t-shirt. Yeah, add new category and lastly hats. Add new category. So I will come over to all products. Yeah, now I can change this, quick edit, change this product to change the category to hats. This is the hat update. Change this to mugs. Okay, mug, hit the update button, change this to t-shirt, hit the update button, change this to t-shirt, and hit the update button. So there you have it. That's how it looks. That's how you add products from Printify. The Printify, you can see it adds a lot of images automatically, making it look nice. So this is it. Thanks. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to edit your home page. Without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to your home page and click edit with Elementor. In this case, I'm opening it on a new tab. I'm just going to let it load. So there you have it. Now if you see there's a pop-up on my screen that says this is just a draft. This is because I was working on this page prior to making this video, so that's why you see that it automatically saved the draft. And you can see that this image here is not the image here on my editing. That's because I'd already worked on this page before, and this is the draft, but I'm still gonna walk you through how to go about changing the image. So what you want to do is just click on this section icon, then come over to style, and here this background, you just choose an image. You can choose any image, but you want to be sure that the size of the image is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. And you can change this text. As you can see here, you see the text here was something different, so you can change it to whatever you want. Same goes for these images. You just click on the column, come over to style, and change the image. Click on the column, come over to style, change the image. That's how you go about this. And if you want to change this text, it's the same thing. You just click on the text you want to change. If you want to change this, you click on this. So pretty much that's how you go about editing this home page. Now for the featured images and featured products, I'm gonna let you know how to change this shortly. So for this other section, you can see you can also go and change the text. The text that was here was just a dummy text, but I changed it to all of this. It's pretty much simple. Just click and change, click and change. Now I'm gonna edit this right now. So in order for me to do this, here's what I want to do. I'm gonna come over and click on this about us page. If you remember, I had done a change to that section before while creating this about us page. So here's what I want to do. I just want to repeat this: worldwide shipping, copy. Okay, copy the text, copy, and just click this, paste. The next one is fulfillment. Change the fulfillment, copy this, change. This one is delivery, copy, paste, and lastly secure payment, copy, paste. So that's how you go about doing that. And you just want to click update, and if I refresh, if I go to the home page right now, you can see that everything looks pretty much clean. Now there's something I want to show you. Now to see how this is going to look on a mobile, this is what you want to do. You want to click on responsive, then you click mobile, and you can see that this image doesn't align well, so I'm gonna pretty much adjust the image. So yeah, so I want to adjust this. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna look on a mobile, and everything looks clean. Okay, I want to adjust this image just the same way I did that. Come here, and gonna change this to okay, center top. No, it didn't work out. Change it back to center. Okay, center right. Okay, there's something I can do. I can come here and click the custom and change this to default. Okay, that doesn't seem to solve the issue. Okay, so we'll custom. Okay, this is not working. Center. There's the top center. Okay, let's check. Bottom center, left center. Okay, right center. Okay, I think this does the job. Okay, fixed. No, default. Okay, I think this looks cool. Yeah, so on an iPad this is how it's gonna look. I want to adjust this one. Okay, change this position. Yeah, so it looks nice. Yeah, then I'm gonna change it back to the desktop. This is how it's gonna look on the desktop. So pretty much that's it. So what I want to do right now is just update. Yep, and I'm gonna refresh this. Okay, that looks really clean. So here's what I want to do right now. I want to change this featured products to the products I have on my store. So it's very simple. All you have to do is come to dashboard, click on products, and now any product that is tagged is considered a featured product. So that's what you. So I'm gonna just change. I'm just gonna start all of these products. Okay, I'm gonna unstart this. I wanna unstart. It's not working out. Okay, let me click on edit. Okay, edit, This is a featured product. Okay, so it's no longer a featured product. Update. I'm not gonna go back. In order for me to replace that, I'm gonna go back and choose this product, this mug, edit. Okay, it's already been noted as a featured product, so I'm gonna take this one too. Yep, and let it load. Okay, it's now a featured product. And this also, I'm gonna make this a featured product. So we're gonna make this a featured product. I wanna change the featured image of this product to kind of, okay, cancel, edit. I want it to, okay, I think that's cool. So let's head over to my homepage right now and do a refresh and see how these products are going to change. Yeah, you can see the featured products has just changed. So by the time I add more products to my store, I'm gonna change all of these too. So pretty much that's how you go about customizing the homepage. Peace. Hello guys and welcome. In this session I'm gonna teach you how to customize your store. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is hover over this appearance and click on menus, and you want to come over here. Yours might be on any of this menu, but what you want to do is you want to click main menu and click the select button. And once you click the main menu and click the select button, it's going to show you the main menu. Now the main menu is what you see over here on your screen, and I want to customize this. I just want to have home, store, then have my product categories like t-shirts, hats and mugs. That's what I want to do. So here's what I'm gonna do. I already have the home store. Now I don't want men, I don't want women, I don't want accessories. I want hats, t-shirts and mugs. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come over to WooCommerce, then no, not WooCommerce. I'm gonna hover over products, then categories. I'm gonna open this in a new tab, and I want to copy this t-shirts first. So I'm gonna go view. It's gonna show me all of the t-shirts on my store. Currently I have only 2 t-shirts, so I'm gonna copy this link, head over to the menus, and I'm gonna click on custom links and put the URL and write t-shirts, add to menu. Now I want to come over here and drag this t-shirt to this after the stores, right? Yeah. Then the next thing I want to do right now is add over to this product categories. Then the next thing is gonna be hats. I'm still gonna do the same thing, opening a new tab, copy the link, come over here, put the link and write dad hats. Let me just say hats. Then add menu. Yeah, I'm still gonna drag these hats over to these t-shirts. And lastly, what I want to add is mugs. So I'm just gonna copy the link head over to this place, copy the link, and mugs, add. Yeah, so this mug is going to come under. Now I want to let you know that I could make these mugs a subcategory of the hats. Okay, for instance, now under hats I could have beanies, I could have bucket hats and the rest. So these could be subcategories of these hats. Let me give you an illustration of what I mean. Let's say I want to add a new category here, and that category is going to be beanies. So I'm going to write add new category. Yeah, so here's what I want to do right now. Is I could come over to these beanies, view. Since there are no beanies, there is no product I've added as a beanie, there's no product to show. So I could just copy this link here, copy, head over to menus, then put the link and write beanies, add new menu. Now I will drag these beanies and make it a subcategory of hats. Then I want to come over to this remove. Okay, I'm going to let this be as it is. Now I'm just going to save the menu, and it's done. So I could come right now to my home page, and you're going to see the changes right now. You see home, store, t-shirt. Under hat I have beanies, mugs, and that's pretty much how it is. Kind of looks professional. Now one thing I want to do is I want to remove this home, okay, because it's not professional. I'm going to remove, yeah, then save menu. Okay, it's loading up. Now the reason why I did that is because if you go head over to this site apple.com, if you head over to apple.com, you're not going to find the home page. It's not modern practice to have the home. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You can see there's no home, you just have store, mark, and the different categories of their products, and that's kind of what we are imitating. Same thing here, home, no home, store, and different categories. Is it, as you see, the Apple site. If you want to go to the home page on Apple, you don't get to click the home button. All you have to do, I'm going to show you, all you have to do is just click on this Apple, and it's going to take you back to the home page. So pretty much that's how it's done. So I'm going to refresh. Oh, the home is still here. Okay, I want to get rid of that. Okay, request timeout. Okay, yeah, it's gone. So I'm going to save right now and refresh. It's gonna, yeah, it's looking very clean and nice. Now that's that for that. The next thing I want to do right now is to customize other aspects of my website, and here's what I want to do. I want to click on customize, excuse me, I'm just gonna let it load. Now this is gonna give me, it's kind of taking me to the control panel of my website. Whatever changes I do here is going to transcend all through my website. So from this customize page, I could change my site entirely. Now I'm going to walk you through how to go about that. Now the first option here, global, what it does is it enables you to change a lot of things about your site. You can change your primary colors for your site. For instance, I could come here and make this red. this color, and this is gonna be the theme color of my site right now. It's gonna be the theme color of my site. Now I'm just gonna clear it. Yeah, now I could change the link color also from here. Let's say I want the link color to be red. Every link on my site is gonna be red now. You can see that every link here now is red. So this is it kind of gives you the flexibility to make your site however you want it to be. Like link hover color, what this means is whenever you hover a link, this is the color that's going to change into. So you just continue. You could change all the headings on your site to a different color. So every heading on your site is going to change to that specific color. Like this. Now this is the heading. You can see the color has changed. If I change it to green, you can see the color of every heading on my site. You can see the color of every heading has changed. So it kind of depends on you and how you want your store to appear. In my opinion, I think this green color looks nice. I think the green color kind of looks nice. I'm just gonna let it be as is, or let's just, okay, let me make it dark green. Okay, I think this kind of looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. So I'm gonna let this be, and that's that for that. I'm gonna go back, and I could change a lot of things. I could change buttons on my site, like all the buttons, like the checkout button and every other button. I could change the color of the buttons and the style of the buttons. So that's kind of what this does. Take for instance, I click on this product. You can see this is a button. So I could come over to this global, click on buttons and change it to this. You can see I could also change the background color of my text. Yeah, of the buttons. So pretty much that's how to go about it. But I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna change this back to how it is, and that's how it is. This border radius, it tells you how circular your button should be. So I'm gonna let everything be as default as they are. Yeah, I think, yeah, 30. So pretty much that's how it looks. So this kind of gives you the flexibility over your site entirely. So this breadcrumb is not really necessary. You can see a lot of things. You could change a lot of things from here. Now all of these are not important. The most important thing is this site identity. What this does is that it enables you to change the logo of your site. So you could come here and you can select your logo. You can select your logo from here. This is the logo I'm gonna be choosing. What I like to do is just put match unit, select, skip cropping. You can see that's my logo. I could kind of control the width and the size of my logo from here. So that's that for that. Now this site icon, what this means is kinds of lets you know this is what we call the site icon. This is what we call site icon. The icon that shows next to you, that appears next to your site, is called the site icon. Okay, publish. And let it publish. Yeah, and this is how my site looks. This is how my site looks. So I'm going to head back to customize. I don't like how the heading color looks, so I'm going to change that over to global and colors, heading color. I'm going to change it back to black, maybe blue. Okay, I think this looks cool. Okay, this looks better, so I'm going to publish it. And let it publish. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, it's done. So the next thing is I'm going to head back to this site identity, and this site icon, I'm going to change it. I'm going to choose this, select, okay, crop. Okay, this doesn't look nice because it's going to look black, so I think I'll just let it be red so it stands out. So that's that for that. Now one thing you should take note of is if you click this and you click site logo, now you want to ensure that for your mobile you want to change the logo. This is the mobile logo. The mobile logo, this is how it looks. So you want to ensure that you take your time to make this mobile logo the same as your other logo, the desktop logo. Same goes for this iPad, and this is the web version. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and go back, and lastly what I want to do is I want to head over to this footer region and click this, and from this I'm gonna put the menu I want to show, and this is the menu. And secondly, this is the second menu. Thirdly, you can change this from this and from custom link. Now this is how this is done. In case of you don't know, for this I'm just gonna come over here, head over to menu, appearance, menus. I can see this is policies menu, this main menu, this quick links menu. If you want to create a new menu, you can just create a new menu. I'm gonna name this menu let me just say test menu, test, and from here I'll just click create menu. And after that I can now add the items I want to add. if I don't find whatever I'm looking for here, I could just click view all, and I'm going to see all the pages on my site, and just click add to menu, and that's how it is. You can rearrange this as you please. So I could just save this menu right now, this test menu. So over here right now, I can change the menu. First off, I want to reload this. Yeah, I'm gonna scroll down. You see, this is policy, and I could add items. If I want to add something else now, I could just click add, and whatever I want to add. If I want to add store, a link to store, I will just click this, and you see it as shown. So that's how it's done. But if I want to add a custom link, a custom page, all I have to do right now is just look for custom link, and here, that's it. Say for instance, I want to add, let me come here to pages. Say I want to add this checkout page, I will just copy link address, and that's that, paste it, and write checkout, add to menu, and this is it. This is how it's done. So that's how you go about changing this. That's how you go about changing this. And if you want to add this image of the payment you accept on your page, all you have to do is just click this, and you can now change the image. You can plus, if you want to add a different image, click images, then add a different image. But in my case, I'm not gonna be adding any image. I'm just gonna remove this, and that's pretty much how it's done. That's pretty much how it's done. Now, if you want to change this heading, I figured out that there's an issue with this. But even whatever you change here, it's not gonna reflect here. So I'm gonna teach you how to go about changing this. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, and you want to head over to appearance. You want to head over to appearance, and you want to come over to abstract options, and you want to click on footer builder, and from here I'm gonna let it load. Okay, so from here you want to click this, and this is how you change it. These quick links, whatever you change here, it's gonna reflect. So that's how it's done. I'm gonna come here. This is the policies. If I want to change these policies, I can change it. So that's how you change the caption. That's how you change the caption. You can come here, you can change the support. So pretty much that's how you go about changing that and customizing your page. I hope that was clear enough. Okay, so that's how you go about customizing your page. That will be that for this section. Peace. Hello guys, and welcome. In this session, I'm gonna be doing finishing touches to my store. I'm gonna be editing the home page and adding some essential plugins, and just doing the proper linking of my website. So as you see over here, there's a button here, shop now, and when I click it, nothing happens. And same goes for all of these. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be linking these buttons to the appropriate pages. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is click on edit with Elementor, and it's gonna open over here. And what I want to do is click on this shop now. Now I want to link this shop now to our store page. So what I'm gonna do is just copy the link address, come over to this link and paste. Same thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna paste. Now this is meant to link to t-shirts. So what I'm gonna do right now is head over to products and click on categories, and I'm gonna search for t-shirts. Now I'm gonna copy the link for t-shirts. Okay, and I'm gonna head over to the shop now page and paste it. Same applies for hats. I'm gonna look for hats. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now is click copy link address, paste. Okay, so this is it for hats. Our category, and finally we'll have that of mugs. So I'm gonna look for mugs, then copy link address. Okay, I'm gonna go over the style, click on this column. Okay, so basically I'm looking for where to paste this. Okay, it's coming up. Oh, this is very strange. Okay, it's meant to be the button. Okay, paste. So that's that for that. Over here I have to link this button to our store page. And pretty much that's it. I'm gonna update. Now if you notice something, whenever I head over to my products, there is this review and it doesn't look nice, and this widget, side widget, is set to rank our products based on reviews, and you see there are no reviews here. So what I recommend do is to deactivate this star rating. So how do you go about that? Simple, you go over to your dashboard, you head over to WooCommerce, then head over to settings. That's a very peaceful process. Okay, which man? Okay, it's kind of loading up and it's taking time, so yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is head over to products page, star ratings. I'm gonna deactivate, save. Yeah, so the star ratings should be out. Yeah, the star ratings are out, as you can see. In this session I'm going to teach you how to add payments. The first thing you want to do is go over to your dashboard and click on WooCommerce, and after you click on WooCommerce, then you're going to click on payments, and that's then depending on the payment you want to accept on your store. In my case, I'm gonna be going with okay, I'm gonna be going with this PayPal option. So I just clicked it and I'm gonna let it load. You can also choose Stripe if you want. So over here, all I want to do right now is connect to PayPal, and it's gonna pop up and prompt me to put in my login details for my PayPal. So here's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna change this. Okay. Okay. Seems we are gonna be having a problem here because I can't find my country here. I can't find my country here. Okay. I'll just go with the United States. I'm gonna say next. I'm gonna click login. I'm gonna say next. I'm gonna log in. Agree and connect. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's done. So you can see all of this has been set up. So I'm gonna head over to my store and click a product. And you're gonna see the PayPal option. Add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout. Okay, the payment option has not been activated. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna click payment again, and I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna also activate this. I'm gonna click on setup. And pretty much that's it. Save changes. So right now if I refresh, you can see PayPal. So you can pay via PayPal. You can also pay via your debit or credit card. So if I click pay debit or credit card right now, I can just put my credit card on. Pretty much that's how it's done. So I can accept payments both from PayPal and from debit and credit card. So that's how you go about setting your payments on WooCommerce. As you see, there are a lot of options for payment. You could activate cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer, and also this WooCommerce payments. But I'm not gonna be activating this. Congratulations, you just completed the complete course on how to build a print on demand website with WordPress. Go ahead and practice.